Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding USDT on Binance and want to convert it to real cash like USD or EUR, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to withdraw USDT to Fiat on Binance in 2025. This process is straightforward, but always remember to prioritize security. Crypto transactions can be risky if not handled carefully. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Binance account. If you don't have one, sign up and complete the verification process. It's crucial for withdrawals. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section at the top of the page. From there, select Fiat and Spot to see your balances. Next, find your USDT balance and click on it. Look for the Withdraw button. It's usually right there. You'll be prompted to choose the asset, so select USDT. Now, pick your withdrawal method. For fiat conversion, go with options like bank transfer or a partnered payment service. Binance might show you choices based on your region, so double-check availability. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum limits and fees. Binance typically charges a small fee for these transactions, and it varies. Then, input your bank details or the required information for your chosen method. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. If you haven't already, it's a must for security. Before you confirm, review everything carefully. Once you're sure, hit that withdraw button and verify via email or app if prompted. Processing times can take from a few minutes to a couple of days, depending on your bank and network congestion. Keep an eye on your transaction status in the Binance app or website. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw USDT to Fiat on Binance in 2025. Always stay updated with Binance's policies, as things can change. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.